Hello everyone, this is the live session for week 7, the recording. Week 7 discussion is due Wednesday. The 3 replies of course are due on Sunday. You still do need an APA reference and in-text citation. Research the following. What advantages do web page authoring tools offer over hand coding your pages? How do you think this is the case, and why do you think this is the case, and do you think it is necessary? The week 7 assignment is due Sunday. You're to create a simple website using a web page authoring tool. Research web page authoring tools and find one you like to use. Some that offer a free trial include Adobe Dreamweaver. Does have a trial version. It only gives you 7 days. It's a little longer to install. You have to have an Adobe login. You also have to install Creative Cloud Desktop before you can install Dreamweaver. Microsoft Expression Web does have a trial version. It's very fast to install. Visual Studio Community 2015 is a free version. There's a lot more out there. There are several that are free. It's really up to you. So using the tool that you've chosen, create a simple website of at least 5 pages. Connect these pages. Content in these pages can be any design you like. I really don't care as long as you tell me what tool you're using and what features you experimented with. So try to experiment with some of the features in the software and then explain that on your main page. You can use pictures, whatever you want, just as long as you send everything to me so that when I open the home page it connects to everything and all the links work and whatever you've chosen to do. So zip everything together and submit that. So this is really an open assignment. You choose the tool, you decide how you want to make the website, and that's what you need to do. But if you forget something, images or something, and I can't see them, then I will count off. So don't forget those. So things to study for the final exam. As I told you last week, I was able to get the highlights in the correct book. So you should be able to see all my highlights to study for the exam. So I'm just going over the page numbers. So most of these are from earlier in the book because I didn't have the highlights in the beginning of the book because I didn't have the right book. So e-commerce on HTML5, line break HTML10, unordered list on HTML50, start page on HTML58, links within a web page on HTML96, the text formatting tags on HTML110, text decoration HTML114, tables on HTML164, know about the Y and X coordinates on HTML246. You know, how do you figure out which is Y and which is X? Client-side image map on HTML248, CGI scripts on HTML294, the get method on HTML294, frame tag attributes on HTML396, cell spacing, which is in app 11, and I couldn't really find these in the chapter. Marquee direction app 37, screen object app 69. And then continuing with things to study, the BR tag will ensure that each string resulting from a search will display on a separate line in the output area of the web page. XHTML ensures that web pages created in XHTML will be readable by many different types of applications. Adding values for the image property can be controlled by adding values for the image, position, and type options. In the world of e-commerce, attention-grabbing web pages may mean the difference between a sale and a lost customer. And that's all I have. I know it's really short, but there wasn't really a lot to go over. Of course, if you have any questions about the assignment or the things to study for the final, be sure and let me know.